Well, following an intense back-and-forth battle yesterday, Baltimore County reached a compromise with federal immigration officials on policies surrounding ICE detainers. But tonight, not everybody is satisfied with this new agreement. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor is live for us tonight, explaining why some say the policy changes won't keep violent criminals off the streets. Rebecca?
Mary, moving forward, Baltimore County has said that they will try their best to give ICE proper notice before they release any suspects that they're trying to arrest. But tonight, some state lawmakers say Baltimore County shouldn't be trying to do that. It should be a guarantee.
First of all, I have no tolerance for sex offenders in our community.
In an effort to ensure public safety, Baltimore County Executive Johnny Olszewski releasing a joint statement with federal immigration officials, agreeing to make every effort to notify them 48 hours before releasing someone they're trying to arrest. A new guideline sparked by the release of 25-year-old Paul Cotteron in Toronto, a convicted child sex offender who federal agents say entered the U.S. illegally. But Olszewski admitting the policy change still wouldn't change the outcome of this case.
We gave as much notice as we possibly could about this particular situation.
So knowing that sexual predators and violent criminals could still end up back on the streets in Baltimore County, are you truly satisfied with the agreement that was reached yesterday?
Unfortunately, the answer is that this is the best the county executive can do. He's following his attorney general's guidance, and this is the most he can do. Am I satisfied? No, not really. Is this the best that we could come up with? Yes.
For an unknown reason, the judge suspending a 6-year prison sentence, unexpectedly setting this defendant free. At that point, the only way to hold him, honoring an ICE detainer request, which Baltimore County won't do, in accordance with guidance from the AG's office, instructing detainers not be honored unless accompanied by a judicial warrant or these probable cause protocols have been met. The AG citing a risk of unconstitutional profiling.
In this case, I wish there were a judicial warrant. We would have honored it as we always do.
There's no immigration judge I can go to and say, can I get a warrant for this? That doesn't exist.
Under DHS's current civil immigration enforcement policies, ICE detainers can only be issued when an individual is charged with a violent crime or sexual assault.
Correct.
Maryland's ICE director, Matthew Elliston, arguing instead of dismissed, ICE detainers should be mandatory, which is already the case in states like Florida, Texas, and Georgia.
I would like to see Maryland go down that same avenue, which would give county executives all the autonomy to say, I'm not at risk. The state has a law that we must honor these detainers.
Possible legislation, Baltimore County Delegate Ryan Naraki says he's now looking into.
The only detainers that ICE is issuing at the moment are for individuals that are either violent offenders, rapists, or child predators. We should be blanketly complying with those things. I don't believe that any of us would want to see any of those kinds of people put back onto the streets.
Now, as for ICE officials asking that the AG change its guidance on these detainers, I reached out to the AG's office today for a comment, but as of news time tonight, have not heard back. Reporting live in Baltimore, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.